This video demonstrates I/O simulation. First, connect to the PLC. Start the PLC. Open the BMX DAI configuration screen. Note that in this case we've chosen state REM addressing. We could have also choose topological addressing to simulate the values. There have been two variables declared for this demonstration, input 1 and input 2. Open a logic section and introduce the right input block. On the left side of the block, we place the variables which will be written to the BMX DAI input. On the right side of the block, we place the variable name or address of the BMX DAI input. Build the changes. Select the block and open an animation table. Using the animation table, toggle the state of the input value variable. Notice the output state of the block changes. This concludes the I/O simulation demo.